Welcome back, guys. It's Self-Care Sunday. Using the Tacha cleansing oil just to break down all the oils on my face and any other makeup I had on. Just to be clear, I do have a normal to dry combination skin. And just a disclaimer, this might not work for you. The cleanser I currently am using is the Clinique liquid facial soap. This has a olive fruit oil and also a cucumber fruit extract in it, which is very nice and mild for my skin. The oils that are in it gives a nice lather, and the facial soap is so mild that it actually doesn't dry out my skin. It's more of a cream consistency. To exfoliate, I decided to use the Pure Sugar Scrub by L'Oreal, which is very good for dead skin cells that are on the skin that makes your skin look really dull. There's grapeseed oil, manoi oil, and acai in this product. Today I'm going to be using an avocado oatmeal mask. My other favorite mask right here is the pineapple enzyme mask. Anything with enzymes in it, I mean, it's pretty much protein, but it's going to help your skin with cell turnover and also give you an exfoliation. This clay mask will give a deep clean and also moisture to soften the skin. So in this Origins bottle, I actually mixed up my own toner. It does have some witch hazel and a drop of essential oil just to refresh my face and make sure I get all the extra bacteria off of there. Next, I'll be using the Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. This stuff I actually like to use a lot in the winter. It is very exfoliating to the lips and tastes good as well. Taking this Pro Collagen Cream and just dabbing it under my eye a bit. It helps promote firmness and give you more of a brighten to your under eye, as well as anti-wrinkle, because we all know your girl's starting to get old. So this is a very important step. You want to wear your SPF every day. It doesn't matter what color you are, it doesn't matter if the sun's out, you want to protect your face at all times. So lastly, I do apply some rose water, and this has some anti-inflammatory properties as well as reduces redness. So I hope you guys like my Sunday skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.